Ever found yourself in a situation where your sink won't drain, or your shower leaks incessantly? Meet Mount Holly Plumbing, the guardians of your home's waterways. We specialize in water heater repairs, general plumbing fixes, and even emergency services. At Mount Holly Plumbing, we turn your plumbing nightmares into seamless solutions. Whether it's a traditional tank style or a modern tankless water heater, we've got you covered. Our seasoned team is adept at handling both, ensuring your home remains warm and cozy. We take pride in our professional approach, tackling repairs and replacements with precision. And it's not just about fixing the problem, we focus on delivering an experience that leaves you satisfied. So, when it comes to your water heater needs, be they tank style or tankless, you can rely on us. No matter the type of water heater, trust us to deliver efficient, cost-effective solutions. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from our satisfied customers. Jane from the East Side shares, Mount Holly Plumbing saved the day with their prompt service when our water heater gave out. And then there's Mike downtown who said, their professional approach and efficient solutions left me stress-free. So many stories, all with a common thread of excellent service. Join the list of our happy customers who no longer worry about plumbing issues. Plumbing emergencies can strike at any time, but fear not, we're here for you. Our dedication to swift responses and swift resolutions ensures minimal disruption to your day. With our emergency services, you can rest assured knowing we're just a call away. So, ready to say goodbye to all your plumbing troubles? From tank style to tankless water heater repairs and replacements, to solving general plumbing issues in your home, Mount Holly Plumbing has got you covered. And remember, we're your go-to for emergency plumbing services too. One more time, jot down this number, 980-385-7642. That's 980-385-7642. Dial 980-385-7642 now. At Mount Holly Plumbing, we're always ready to serve you.